Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesecake filled pumpkin bread. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for your pumpkin bread, you need a half a cup, which is 1 stick of melted butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie filling. And then you need 1 egg and 1 egg yolk from large eggs, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's going to be for the bread. And then for the cream cheese filling, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 egg, 6 ounces of cream cheese softened. Then you also need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then you want to go ahead and take your 9x5 loaf pan, brush that with butter all over it, and then dust it with flour. And preheat your oven to 350. Alright, so first we want to whisk together our flour, pumpkin pie spice, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And just set that bowl to the side. Okay, in a separate bowl, we are going to mix together our pumpkin, our 1 cup of sugar, melted butter, sour cream, which I said was for the filling, and it is not. I'm sorry, it is for the pumpkin pie bread. So go ahead and put the sour cream into here. 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, and your vanilla, and just mix that together until it's smooth. And then we are going to pour our wet ingredients over the dry ingredients and fold that until it's completely combined. Okay, that looks great. That felt weird because I'm used to adding my dry into my wet, and this time it was opposite, and I just folded it with a spatula until it was nice and combined. Alright, next we are going to make our cream cheese filling. So in a small bowl, stir your softened cream cheese, your remaining egg, the 2 tablespoons of flour, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to mix that with an electric mixer until it is nice and combined. Alright, that looks great. So I'm going to spoon down the sides and get to work making my bread. Alright, so basically we want to just take half of our mixture over here and put it into our bowl. And then we are going to dollop all of our cream cheese filling, and then add to the top of that the rest of our pumpkin pie mix here. Alright, there's our first layer of bread. So now let's just go ahead and dollop this cream cheese all over. Alright, that looks ready. I just dolloped it all over and then smoothed it with the back of my spoon. Now I'm ready for my final layer. Alright, that looks and smells delicious. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the oven. You want to bake that for 1 hour and 5 minutes to 1 hour and 15 minutes. You just want a toothpick to come out clean. Alright, my bread is out of the oven and it has been cooling for probably about 20 minutes. So I'm going to cut it and see what taste tester thinks. Alright, taste tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.